piglin stole my armor and he's staring at me.
Menacingly.
It stripped you!
I'm sending the picture. The baby stole my armor and his dad is shooting me. Oh my god, they're gonna kill me again.
4x3 was. Oh wait, no!
Uh-oh. How did this even happen?
Good thing I only gave you one pickaxe. I mean, see, this is why I told you that piglins are bad, and you defend them. Why?
Well, mostly I like the zombie ones. And they don't steal your stuff, but...
You and I will one day see eye to eye. Because you were a capable employee back then. And I miss that. No, you're fired. You're
I'm
a freelancer.
Capable contractor.
You're Hey.
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 Oh, is a birch forest actually rare?
I don't know, but it's nice. Kind of. We could probably label this.
There's fire over here.
Oh, someone's doing a ritual.
Ooga ooga. What's this?
Ooga ooga. Where'd you guys all go?
Oh, is it copper?
Why does this happen, Fauna?
It's not my fault this time.
How? How is it not your fault this time?
Die.
The lava? I didn't put the lava here. I don't even have a bucket.
And now the trees are burning.
Oh my god, what did you do?
It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
I can't even count how many times this has happened.
Why are you such an arsonist?
No, I didn't. It's not me.
Yeah, it is.
No.
It's totally you. Oh my god. You're killing your saplings?
No, no. It's not me.
No, what do you mean? I didn't do anything.
Why are you so violent? What's wrong with you? Why are you tearing this family apart?
I'm just trying to put it
Everything's going wrong. I want to go home.
I'm scared.
I don't want to be here anymore.
Kronii, why are you scared?
I'm scared. There's an arsonist among us.
Actually, no, there's not.
Oh!
That was a creeper. Oh, nice. Free log.